Good quality aluminum material with paint to prevent rusting, easy to mold and bend with hands, easy to be cut with wire cutters. There are numerous items accessible to Bonsai training wire. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best bonsai training wire from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Anodized aluminum 4.0mm bonsai training wire. Grow a bonsai tree's anodized aluminum wire is easy to work with, holds its shape, is resistant to corrosion, and comes in your choice of beautiful colors, designed to blend in with or complement your tree. 250 grams of wire so you can stock up on exactly the size you need. Replenish your Grow a Bonsai Tree Starter Set wire or supplement your existing wire supply using these large rolls. Anodized aluminum training wire is easier to bend than copper, making it better for beginner bonsai trainers, convenient for experienced bonsai artists, or great to use as floral wire. Reusable, and will not damage your tree. Available in classic black or copper-colored brown to blend in with your bark. All colors are anodized, and have a subtle metallic finish. Choose your preference. Number 2. Mohern Bonsai Wire. Good quality aluminum material with paint to prevent rusting, easy to mold and bend with hands, easy to be cut with wire cutters. Flexible and practical bonsai tree kit. The black, green and brown colors of 1mm thick wire rolls could conceal themselves among the plants. Great for bonsai training with bonsai tools, handmade craft making, jewelry making and so on. Each roll is 32.8 feet, 5 rolls, 164 feet long totally. The wires with 3 sizes of 1mm, 1.5mm and 2mm thick to meet your need. Portable mini pliers is 5 inches long. Choose appropriate thickness of wire and other bonsai tools like bonsai soil or bonsai fertilizer. Then you could shape your bonsai tree indoor, or wait for new bonsai seeds in your cute bonsai pots to grow. Number 3. Leaves and Soul Tree Training Wire. Our bonsai tree training wires are made of top-quality aluminum alloy, which is strong but easy to mold. They stand strong against rust and bends easily without breaking. This planned wire set has different sizes of training wires including 1.0mm, 1.5mm, 2.0mm, 2.5mm, and 3.0mm wires, all with a length of 32 feet. Total of 160 feet of wire for all of your projects. They can also be used for handmade craft making, sculpture projects and jewelry making. Our gardening kit comes with a high-quality traditional bonsai wire cutter. This tool can cut the thickest aluminum wire effortlessly. This complete starter bonsai wire kit includes a beautiful and practical cream-colored canvas pouch. You can store your wires and cutter in it when they are not in use. Here's a thoughtful gift for bonsai hobbyists, enthusiasts and artists. This bonsai tree training wire set comes in a beautifully designed gift-ready packaging. Number 4. Fluidity Bonsai Wire. High-quality aluminum, with colorful protective paint, can prevent rust, easy to shape and bend by hand, easy to cut with wire cutters. 32.8 feet per roll, 5 rolls, total length 164 feet, 3 sizes of wires are 1mm, 1.5mm and 2mm to meet your needs, and a cord cutter is included for free. Very suitable for bonsai training such as bonsai tools, handmade, jewelry making, etc. Suitable for beginners, bonsai trainers and experienced bonsai artists. These aluminum bonsai cultivation wires can be bent repeatedly, are not easy to rust, are not easy to break, and can be reused. They are better than other copper or iron wires. The 1mm thick metal wire coil can be hidden between plants. Training wire can not only be used for potted plants or plant decoration, but also can be handmade to cultivate your hands-on ability, and the ability to produce beautiful objects. Number 5. Anodized aluminum bonsai training wire. Anodized aluminum training wire is easier to bend than copper yet still very strong, making it better for beginner bonsai trainers, and convenient for experienced bonsai artists. Comes in 5 most popular sizes: 1.0mm, 1.5mm, 2.0mm, 2.5mm, 3.0mm, so you have a variety of sizes on hand to fit your branches of different thicknesses. All wires are labeled with their sizes to easily distinguish them. Wires come in a drawstring canvas bag, making for convenient storage or the perfect stylish starter set gift package. Available in standard black, brown to blend in with your bark, or green to match your leaves. All colors are anodized. Choose your preference. All Grow a Bonsai Tree Bonsai Wire starter sets come in an elegant canvas drawstring bag for convenient storage. Giving this starter set as a gift. It's already stylishly wrapped for you, in a way that's bound to make any budding bonsai enthusiast excited about what's inside.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.